Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about MVI instruction in 8085 microprocessor. In previous tutorial we have learned about move instruction in 8085 microprocessor. In this tutorial we will see a MVI instruction which copies the 8-bit data to register immediately. Now this instruction is written as MVI R, 8-bit data. This instruction move 8-bit data to register immediately. This instruction takes 2 bytes of memory, 2 machine cycle and 70 states. Now let's say at location 3800H we write an instruction MVI B, 88H. Now this instruction copies the 8-bit data, that is 88, to register B immediately. And now this is our 8085 microprocessor containing all the basic units and registers. And now comes memory starting from location 3800H. And now this is our instruction MVI B, 88H. First of all, program counter contains the address of the instruction, that is 3800H. Then instruction register goes to the location 3800H and fetch the instruction, that is MVI B, 88H. This process is called opcode fetch. After opcode fetch, the instruction is decoded in the instruction decoder. Then the program counter gets incremented by 1 and becomes 3801. Then the data at location 3801 gets copied to register B. After this, the program counter gets incremented by 1 and becomes 3802. And now thanks for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe our channel.